Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you of my favorite dish, stir-fried chicken with holy basil.
If you want to see how they make the easy meal, please click subscribe and bell icon, then let's see together. Thank you.
Thing that I'm going to show you guys, lemongrass. It is sliced of lemongrass. Galangal. Galangal root is rich in antioxidants and may boost male fertility and reduce inflammation and pain. It may even protect against inflammation and certain types of cancer. Here is kaffir lime leaves. Kaffir lime leaves are known to bring many herbal medicine benefits. Today we chose chicken with bone. Bone and meat provide more micronutrients, much like the meat that we eat. Bones are living tissues and are therefore rich in vital micronutrients for our bodies. Here is my favorite herb, holy basil. Holy basil has been shown to boost your body's health in a variety of ways. It can help protect against infection, lower your blood sugar, lower your cholesterol, and protect your stomach. Holy basil has been a calming effect that can help battle stress and give you a boost of energy. And it offers some antimicrobial too, which help kill bacteria. The first we are going to fry lemongrass, galangal and kaffir lime leaves. Everyone please stir fry it's become golden brown. Then keep it on the side. Now I'm going to fry our chicken. Oyster sauce. And we can add chicken powder, sugar, fish sauce, now our chicken is cooked, so we are going to add more fried lemongrass. After mixing lemongrass and chicken as well, and we are going to add my favorite holy basil.
Thank you for your valuable time watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel for latest video. Thank you.